Hi, I'm Kevin from Craft Gardens. Today we're going to talk about some beautiful succulent bowls that we're currently producing. Now we have 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch sizes. These are stuffed, full of an assortment of beautiful different succulents. Right now you can see the color in these are absolutely beautiful, and we have some nice varieties and nice quantities of these for sale right now. This is the time of year you should be considering bringing these succulent bowls up. The weather's starting to break up north and in your area, and these also could go as an indoor type succulent bowl as well. Now, all these containers have holes in them so you can put them outside or on your patio, or if you want to put them inside, just put a little sauce underneath them. These are economical, they're beautiful, and they're ready for shipment. For more information on these, contact our sales associate or go to our website, www.craftgardens.com. Thanks.